Want to watch your favorite Amazon Prime Video movies and shows on the go without using up data or needing Wi-Fi? You are in luck. Amazon lets you download movies and TV shows for offline viewing on your mobile devices, whether you're traveling, commuting, or just conserving data. Here's how to do it in a few easy steps. First is log into your Amazon Prime account. Next is choose a movie you want to download. But always remember, not all of the movies can be downloaded offline, so be mindful on that. Now you can see the download button. Click it and that's it. It started to download and you can watch it offline. Now, you can enjoy Amazon Prime Video anytime, anywhere without burning through data or worrying about signal loss. Whether it's a long flight, a road trip, or just a lazy day indoors. Downloading your favorite shows means your entertainment is always within reach. Happy watching!